Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start at the Facebook ad library because it exposes ads openly. Open it now and choose the country to narrow results. Once done, type the page name or a relevant keyword to pull ads quickly, and make sure to switch the filter to active or inactive depending on what you need. This first step reveals raw ad creatives and basic metadata, so you get immediate insight into who's running ads and the messaging they test across placements. Once you have results, refine with filters. Narrow dates, choose platforms like Instagram or Facebook, and set active versus inactive to trace campaign life cycles. Then click an ad to inspect details. You'll see images, video, start date, and sometimes spending ranges. These clues explain strategy and budget pacing. As you review, save screenshots and catalog variations because comparing copy, visuals, and CTAs shows what they're testing and suggests audience targeting hypotheses you can emulate or avoid. To finish, compile your screenshots, timestamps, and observations into a simple spreadsheet so you can track patterns over time and across competitors. This turns scattered findings into a research asset. Then cross-check with the page transparency section for ownership and ad history, which helps confirm whether campaigns are ongoing or paused. If you don't see expected ads, clear your cache, use an incognito window, or adjust the country filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.